Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact has reached end of service message and your current build with Winver. This determines the upgrade path. Next, backup documents, desktop, and app data to an external drive and verify the copy is open. Once done, clear 20 GB or more. Temporary files block upgrades and slow installers. Make sure your PC is on AC power and connected to a steady internet source. Instability will abort downloads and corrupt the installer. Now you execute the upgrade path tailored to your system. If incremental updates install, run Windows Update until no more patches appear. If end of service blocks automatic updates, download the Media Creation tool or Installation Assistant matching your edition and architecture and create installation media. Start the in-place upgrade, choose Keep Files and Apps, and monitor compatibility warnings. During installation, disable third-party antivirus and remove extra USB devices to avoid driver conflicts. These steps reduce failure. After the upgrade finishes, sign in and confirm Windows is activated and updates resume. Check Device Manager for missing drivers and install vendor packages. Outdated drivers cause instability. If you see corruption or odd behavior, run DISM and SFC to repair system files and then reboot. If the installer rolls back, do not panic. Restore your backup, record the setup error codes, update BIOS or firmware if flagged, and retry using fresh installation media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.